Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo singles. Take only what resonates. Pali, hindi to magra-resonate sa lahat So, kunin mo lang yung mga magra-resonate for you. And para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, okay? So, yeah. This is for Virgo singles. General reading. Simulan na natin. Okay. For Virgo singles, please messages for Virgo singles. You do have here the Seven of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. And then we do have here the Nine of Swords. Nine of Pentacles is here. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito, alam mo, nakukuha natin yung talino mo, magaling ka, matalino ka, okay? You have to use that. Kaya lang, alam mo, kaya hindi ko nakikita yung growth pa sa'yo ngayon. Kasi nakukulangan ako sa action eh. Matalino ka, magaling ka, marami kang idea, marami kang alam na nakukulangan lang tayo sa action. Mas nauuna sa'yo yung pag-iisip ng problema, pag-overthink, and then, you know, the Seven of Cups is here. Marami kang gusto. Actually, maybe yung iba pwedeng maluho, Sasabihin ng iba, hindi naman ako maluho. Pero marami kang material na bagay na gusto. Okay? And then, I feel like you are daydreaming. No? Bakit kaya hindi mo gawa ng aksyon para makuha mo yung mga bagay na yun? Yung iba sa inyo, mas marami yung gusto mo kaysa dun sa growth mo pagdating sa finances kasi nakukulangan nga tayo sa action eh. I can see you as the Queen of Pentacles. I mean, no doubt maraming tumitingala sa'yo. Maraming tumitingin sa'yo as someone na magaling. Pero ipakita mo. Ipakita mo pa. No? Wag mong hayaan na madaig ka ng problema, ng stress, ng pag-overthink. Okay? You do have here the Nine of Pentacles. This is money. This is success. Kung ano yung mga bagay na with the Five of Swords, nagbibigay ng stress sa'yo, maybe your past, problema, difficulties in the past, i-let go mo na yun. Bitawan mo na yun. Mag-focus ka na lang sa future, sa mga dadating pa sa buhay mo. Any messages for love para sa mga Virgo singles? Messages for love, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Any messages for love for Virgo singles, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for Virgo singles, please. Mga messages para sa love. And over here, the Five of Swords. Queen of Wands is here. Para sa love, hindi ko ito kukunin ha. Ito lang ang kukunin ko. 10 of Cups. Okay. The Emperor. And one more card. 5 of Cups. The High Priestess. Bottom of the deck is a Tower. Okay, for Virgo singles, I can see a lot of love here. Nakita ko ng person na maaring iniisip mo ngayon. And this person, you do love this person. Guys, kung wala kang iniisip, then wag mong kunin itong part na to. And sasabihin mo wala kang kakonect, then wag mong kunin itong part na to. Kasi I see you as the Emperor. So might be nagmamatigas ka regarding sa emotions, which is a lot of love na nararamdaman mo dito sa taong to. There's a high chance of soulmate connection dito sa inyong dalawa. And nagbibigay ng kalungkutan ito sa iyo with the 5 of Cups. Okay? Nagmamatigas ka lang pero nalulungkot ka talaga. With the 5 of Swords, I feel like unti-unti mong nilalayuan or nililet go itong taong to, pero hindi ka naman nagmamadali dun sa pagle-let go na to. Kasi what if may chance pa naman? Parang ganun. Maybe this is a past person. Maybe nagkakaroon ng separation sa inyo, or with the Tower, there's a tower moment between the two of you. So, pwedeng hindi ka pa completely nagle-let go or nakaka-move on sa taong ito. Queen of Wands is here. So, this person, marami siyang gustong sabihin. Marami siyang gustong pag-usapan. Marami siyang gustong malaman. Pero, might be, pinipili na lang din niya manahimik ngayon because hindi niya alam kung makikipag-usap ka ba ng maayos sa kanya. Hindi niya alam kung magiging okay ba yung connection ninyong dalawa. No? So, sa ngayon, dahil wala naman siya nakukuha mula sa'yo, sige na lang. Okay? I want to know the future for Virgo singles. Near future for Virgo singles. Pagdating sa love. Ito yung gagamitin kong card. Paradise is here. Wow. You know, very girl with a snake. Keys on a ring. Heart with a key. So I can see you opening yourself sa someone, welcoming new people in your life, new person. So I can see for some of you dating, pero mag-ingat ka ha. Kasi nakikita natin yung kaligayahan dito with the Paradise, but it's just because might be there's a lot of playfulness. Can you read the word? No? Playfulness yun nandito. So might be may makakonect ka dito, pero more on flirting yung mangyayari dito. But with the girl with the snake, mag-ingat ka lang kasi maybe lalo na kung mararamdaman mo yung feeling na parang ginagamit lang ako nito. Masaya ako dito sa taong to, pero parang masyadong toxic or very narcissist yung energy. Pwedeng may makamit ka pero hindi kayo match nitong taong to. Mag-ingat ka lang. Maraming choices with the keys on the ring in the near future. I can see one night stand here. So, yun na nga. Possible na magkaroon ng connection, but it's just a playful connection. Pwedeng one night stand lang yung maging connection ninyong dalawa. There's no love there. And, actually, mas maigi pa umiwas ka na lang. Especially kung, there's a conversation pero hindi mo naman siya talaga totoong gustong kausap. Gusto mo siya maybe because masaya ka, Kasi may kakonect ka, ganun. And then, maybe nagugustuhan mo itsura nitong taong to. Mag-ingat ka dito kasi it's just a playful connection. Okay? Pagdating sa love, I don't know, I can see we do have your kisses. This is all about love connection. Pero with a mask, I feel like hindi ka nagiging totoo sa sarili mo. And we do have your healing heart. If you're not yet healed from the coffin, which is the past, which is the ending na nangyari, huwag ka muna makipag-connect. Mag-focus ka na lang muna sa sarili mo with the mirror. Okay? So, that's the advice also for you pagdating sa future. Pagdating sa love. So, pagdating sa money, any messages in the near future for money? Okay, you do have your Three of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. So, sabi ko nga, lagyan mo ng action yung mga maiisipan mo. Wands is all about action yan. And ito, advice lang to. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng growth, maaaring hindi mo agad yun mararamdaman, yung growth na yun. Pero, kung gusto mong ma-achieve yan, mas mauuna, of course, yung actions. Three of Wands. This is actions again. With the Three of Wands. And the number 3 signifies growth. No? So, kung gusto mo ng growth, kailangan mo muna lagyan ng action. Maaaring hindi mo agad maramdaman with the Seven of Pentacles, yung bunga, pero at least may action ka ng ginawa. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.